Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, you'll be working with the gas lift and cover. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Then, place the cover over the gas lift. Next, locate your seat cushion. Using the included M822 mechanism screws, hand thread the screws to connect your mechanism to the bottom of your seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Next, connect your backrest to the bottom of the seat cushion using the included M825 L-bar screws. With a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws in an alternating cross pattern. Locate your two T-arms. Connect your T-arms to the bottom of the seat cushion using M630 arm screws. Flip your seat over to attach the second arm. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.